कभी आपको ऐसा लगा है कि दुनिया कितनी आगे जा रही है और आप कितने पीछे हो? आई नो यू माइट हैव फेल्ट दैट. You know, just by small practice and a good structured learning, आप हीरो बन सकते हो when it comes to IELTS examination. आपकी भी जिंदगी चेंज हो सकती है. कैसे? जैसे इसकी चेंज हुई है.
Listening, writing, reading.
What is this? 5 bands? This is what you're aiming for to move to UK?
इस बच्चे की कहानी तो रियल नहीं थी, बट आपकी कहानी डेफिनेटली रियल हो सकती है. आप बेशक जीरो टू हीरो बन सकते हो. कैसे? So here I am with a wonderful series of free YouTube series for you all that says Zero to Hero batch for IELTS students. So yes, I'm back with a wonderful series, and not only me, we have another very interesting faculty for you all. तो चलो जल्दी से सुनते हैं कि what are the things we are going to cover for you. ठीक है? यहाँ देखो, सबसे पहले द सीरीज इज जीरो टू हीरो सीरीज, जहां पे आप जीरो से हीरो बन जाओगे. कैसे बनोगे? लेट मी जस्ट हेल्प यू आउट विद दैट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हम क्या क्या प्रोवाइड करेंगे आपको? कैन यू रीड दिस क्वेश्चन? व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट एन IELTS जीरो टू हीरो सीरीज? व्हाट आर यू गाइस एक्सपेक्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस? नाउ it include grammar lectures, master the basics and beyond. Yes, we are not only there to guide you on your IELTS examination and IELTS module, but we'll also be covering the basic grammatical topic which are related to the IELTS examination. Next, complete grammar coverage from fundamental to advanced grammar concept, जहां पे हम न कि सिर्फ बेसिक ग्रामर कवर करेंगे, बट एट द सेम टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू कवर द एडवांस्ड ग्रामर एज वेल. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट इज IELTS स्पेसिफिक ग्रामर. ऑफ कोर्स, ग्रामर में छोटे बच्चों को नहीं पढ़ा रही हूँ, तो डेफिनेटली आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कवर दोज ग्रामेटिकल टॉपिक जो आप बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हो. अब आप बोलोगे मैम वही नाउन, प्रोनाउन, एडजेक्टिव, एडवर्ब पढ़ाओगे. डेफिनेटली आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टीच यू दैट. I'm just going to focus on those grammatical topics which are very, very, very relevant and prominent when it comes to your IELTS examination. ठीक है? आगे बढ़े? चलो. Now, let's talk about what will you learn in this YouTube series? A real-world application how to use grammar correctly in IELTS writing and speaking. Next, error correction and common mistakes. I know there are a lot of you who are struggling for the basic common mistakes. बहुत silly mistakes करते हो तुम लोग. So that is what I am here to amend that. Okay? चलो. Avoid the errors and cost you marks in the IELTS examination. ठीक है? Next, let's talk about what will you learn in this free YouTube series. And yes, it is a free YouTube series for you all. Now, also we are catering to IELTS lecture. So ये ना ही सिर्फ ग्रामर कवर करेगा, again, which is also going to cover the IELTS module as well. To score higher in grammar-based strategies. Grammar for IELTS writing task 1 and 2 to improve your sentence structure for cohesive and well-developed essay. And grammar in IELTS speaking to learn how to use accurate tense and complex structures for better fluency that is going to impact your band scores. ठीक है? इतना क्लियर? I hope so. अब आगे बढ़ते. Now, what will you learn again? Grammar for IELTS reading and listening. Okay? And again, that will help you in order to understand how sentence structure and word form affects your comprehension. Next, also band 7 techniques. The fact is, I know there are a lot of you who are getting 6 bands or 6.5 bands or maybe 7 bands even after giving your mock test, or sorry, even after taking your mock test or after doing multiple practices, but still you're not able to achieve your desired band score. I know why. there are a lot of silly mistakes that you guys make. ठीक है, उसको improve करेंगे, and this is the reason we are here. We are covering both at the same time. So आपको दोनों अलग अलग नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा. At the same time, you are going to cover both of them and apply to it to whatever question you are practicing. ठीक है, चलो. Next, why to join this series? One of the most important question कि मैम सीरीज को ज्वाइन क्यों करें, हमारा क्या फायदा होगा, what are the targeting things that we are going to deal with this series? Structured learning, of course. We are going to give you grammar lectures and IELTS lecture to which you will be able to apply all those strategies that we are going to tell you so that you can get the desired band score. Also, IELTS relevant content. Not only the grammatical content you are going to get IELTS relevant based content which include all the 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. Practical approach. Live practice sessions we are going to give you, also exercises and quizzes to test your learnings. Mistake analysis. Learn how to self-correct and write and speak more. Bilingual explanation. Of course, the series is not going to be entirely in English. It is going to be a blend of English and Hindi so that you guys are able to understand better. With this, we are going to provide you DPPs, which is daily practice papers, and the annotated notes that we are going to annotate in the session, which is only going to be available in our PW application. So make sure you download it and get access to it. Okay? Yes, let me just help you a bit about who's going to be your faculty. You guys know me already, I know that, but let me just give you a brief of it. So yeah, I am going to be there, but at the same time, so yes, here I am. ठीक है, Tanya Vishwakarma, I am going to be your faculty for the grammar series and I'll be taking care of the grammar. While, wait, we've got Vandana ma'am as well, who is going to take care of your IELTS examination, who is an 8.5 band certified trainer. So yes, try not to miss the series. We have a lot to provide you. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of exercises and of course, we have a lot of practice to be done. Okay? So, yes, thank you so much everyone. That's all the time I want of yours. And make sure you join the series real quick and enjoy the series. And I hope that you, after this series, all of you are going to get your desired band score. ठीक है, चलती हूँ and मिलते हैं in the session. Till then, take care, bye bye and all the very best.